Oh, okay, cleaning stuff there.
Oh.
It's been a year that we started to remodel this fixer-upper. Each weekend we get done something step by step. Today we're going to tackle the closet in the laundry room. Stay until the end to see the progress that we made in this room since we moved in. And there's a lot more to come to this room that we are planning to do. That's why you had the comment.
Yeah.
But you were in the garage, you just started.
No, I was thinking to remove this door, and then I figured I'm gonna shut the door, see why this door never shut. It's all crooked. There you go.
Do you wanna keep it?
Sure, yeah. I'll keep it on the trailer. How about that?
Do you want me to take out the stuff before you destroy the things?
No, I can get everything nice and dirty, so it's okay.
No.
Is that for garbage?
No, that's for my clean stuff. So, I'm thinking to add more shelves here.
Okay.
Okay, I got an idea. So we can have this wider one over here, and on the back I can add a little shelf that doesn't come this far, but I can put all my cleaning stuff there.
I think long enough pieces left over from the barn door, because those pieces were like 10 feet.
Yeah.
And they are about almost 6-inch wide.
Okay.
So about that wide.
That's good. Just to put a jar with my cleaners.
Yeah.
And then I can still put the broom in here and the vacuum cleaner.
So we're gonna have a kitchen pantry and we're gonna have a broom pantry.
Broom pantry. What am I a witch or what? Broom pantry. This is where I pork. There you go. Okay, I'm thinking to take down those flowers as well. Ooh, Jolty! Huh? Good stuff, isn't it?
You can have it.
I swear we don't drink that. This is for cleaning.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe you do, I don't.
What do you mean you do?
Well, it's only like a little bit left in there, so I don't know what happened.
But no, I cleaned with that. I have some nice hooks that we can put on instead of the nails and the screws that stick.
That's
that's my
toothpick.
chopstick. That's how I clean the vacuum cleaner. Oh my god! I almost dropped the camera. Okay, go ahead. Whew.
He broke a rod over here.
Oh man, Jesus.
I didn't see this coming.
Did you record it at least?
I think so.
Okay, good.
Apparently this drywall was barely attached over here, so I pulled on it a little bit, and this is what happened.
Yeah. It's missing a tooth. So these are just little hooks that I ordered, I think off of Amazon. I don't even remember. I have these for years. And basically this is just something that holds the wire on the wall. So, but I can hang a bunch of things on it, so it will work. És akkor ide I can put the stuff there, and then there I can put the broom and things like that I need to hang. Huh?
Depends where the studs are.
Like a wooden thing on the back, like one row here, one row there, and screw them on that.
It doesn't help me a whole lot because there's still no stud in the wall there.
Oh. Can you hold it so I can see it? Hadd mindenki először.
Okay.
I want to go. Hey!
Let me hold on.
And I don't have any stickers, especially that is white, but I have sticky notes, so I'm going to take off a little bit of that paper that can cover those places where we put the screw in there.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before.
Finally, I can put all the cleaners and all the tools that I need for cleaning into this closet, which I'm very looking forward to.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. To straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go.
Now that I'm looking back, it's kind of weird to say where we started. It's amazing how different this house was, especially this room. Probably that was the most scariest area. So I'm really glad we made some progress. So we have still a lot more to accomplish in this room. We have so many details that we want to work on, like the trim around this door as well. And this area over here, we want to redo that one. This was just a fast solution to cover this area with something that it can take some air as well, because we have the heating system here and over there as well. So there's a lot more to come, and also we have to finish the wall. There's just so many things. As we opened the wall over here, we still have the floor that we have to fix, so Joel is gonna do that. But for today, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate that you took the time to watch until the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!